Welcome to Sandland, the place where tired humans become better sleepers. With 2 formulations, we help solve the 2 biggest sleep problems: falling asleep fast and staying asleep soundly. With completely natural formulations, Sandland sleep is real sleep, without any hangover, dependency, or intoxication. Both products have the same ingredients: CBN, melatonin, hops, and real peppermint, but are modified to address the specific sleep issues you're dealing with. Fall Asleep has 15 milligrams of CBN absorbed under the tongue. Fast-acting, few hours lasting. Stay Asleep has 30 milligrams of CBN absorbed through the stomach. Kicks in after an hour, many hours lasting. Sandland is the place you, yes, even you, become a good sleeper.